Okay, we're here today to talk about the meet and greet, cousin meet and greet that we wasn't even invited.
Mm-hmm.
No one told us about it. I've tried to, go to some of my cousins' Facebook, and they have not accepted me as a friend or whatnot. I understand that the person that supposedly put on this function, they still hadn't accepted me as a friend. So therefore, I couldn't attend something that I didn't know about. And I'm making this statement because someone made a comment, on my Facebook. And sometimes when I make the comment back, it come across the wrong way. So I figure if I make it, like in a video form, y'all can understand what I'm talking about. I do realize in this family, they have their picks and chooses, whatnot, or nah, I ain't gonna say that too much.
Haters.
But
Just be real, just call them haters. That's it.
He's funny.
Still tripping over toys that y'all couldn't play with and stuff. Blocks and Legos. Let's grow up, y'all. Please.
So, as you can see, we as family over here is still happy. However, y'all know when Grandmother Mud died, she had 18 kids, her and granddaddy together. When she died, she had over 200 and something grandchildren, great grandchildren, and great great grandchildren. Now we in 2011, and the number has tripled. And you mean to tell me that we're still going with that pick and choose type stuff, where I am here on this video, to express, to let the ones know that no one and the person that was given the event did not accept me as a friend, period. So I got certain cousins out there that think that I didn't want to be among them because I didn't attend, or we didn't attend, me and my children, because they are old enough to attend. Yeah, they really are. So, but anyway, we didn't get to attend because we wasn't invited. So, I'm not going to be like that. Our family, it's too many of us. We could pick our friends, yeah. But guess what? We stuck as family. That's the family God chose us to be in. So can we all just get along? Can we? For once? So my dear little cousins out there, this is what's going on with Tina. I wasn't invited. So maybe next time, I'll get invited and I'll show up at the event. So anyway, we got one other thing that we want to share, and that is this. Go, 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 Courtney. It's your birthday.
Go hater, you just mad. Go hater, you just mad. Go hater, you just mad. Hating on us, so we look good. Hating on us, so we look good. We wasn't invited, still we excited. We wasn't invited, still we excited. Hating on us, so we look good. Real on shine, mama is too. Hating on us, so we look good. And we wasn't invited, but we still excited.
Oh, shawty, it's my birthday. You better bet it. It's a birthday.
Press play.